So we are going to continue the lesson by solving these two linear equations. So in the first one, solve 5x minus 7 all over 6 plus 2x minus 3 all over 4 equals to 2 over 3. So when you are given an equation like this, you look out for the number of terms of this equation. And this is the first term, the second term, and then the third term. So we have 3 terms. So it means whatever we are going to do to one term, we are going to do to all of them. Now when we watch over here, our LCM is what? We have 6, 4, and 3, so our LCM can be 12, okay? So we are going to multiply through all the 3 terms by 12. So we multiply through by 12. Now if we should multiply through by 12, we shall have 12 into 5x minus 7 over 6, then plus 12 into 2x minus 3 over 4 equals to 12 into 2 over 3. So 6 will go here 1, 6 will go here 2. So we have 2 into 5x minus 7 plus 4 will go here 1, 4 will go here 3. We have 3 into 2x minus 3 equals to 3 will go here 1, 3 will go here 4. We have 4 times 2. So with this, we are going to expand and then we get rid of the brackets. Okay, so 2 times 5, we have 10x. 2 times minus 7 is minus 14. Plus 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times minus 3 is minus 9. Equals to 4 times 2 is 8. So over here, we are going to group like terms. Okay, so grouping like terms means all the variables will be on one side with their coefficients, and then the constant terms without any variable, we take them to the other side of the equation. So we shall have 10x plus 6x equal to the constants. We have 14 minus 10 moves to the right plus 9. Then this is already positive 8 plus 8. So 10x plus 6x is 16x, which will give us 14 plus 9 plus 8. Will give us 14 plus 8 is 20. So 14 plus 9 plus 8 will give us 31. So our x will be equal to 31 over 16. That is dividing both sides by 16. And then therefore, our x becomes, 16 times 2 will give us 32. So we have one whole number, 15 over 16. So this becomes our answer. So in question 2, if 5y minus x all over 8y plus 3x is equal to 1 over 5, find, correct to 2 decimal places, the value of x over y. So it means we need to express this equation in the form x over y. So in our solution, okay, in our solution, we have 5y minus x over 8y plus 3x is equal to 1 over 5. So this is an equation, okay, with equal to signs. Now we are going to cross multiply since we have this being equal to this, okay? So because we are treating this as one term, this as another term, and then this was another term, and then this as another term. So we cross multiply. Now, when we cross multiply, we shall have 5 into 5y minus x equal to 1 into 8y plus 3x. So this is going to give us, we expand, 25y minus 5x is equal to 8y plus 3x. Now we are asked to express this as x over y. So the first thing we can do is we can group like terms. The y is on one side and then the x is on the other side. So we have 25y minus 8y equals to 3x plus 5x. So 25 minus 8y, 25y minus 8y is going to give us 17y. We have 17y is equal to 3x plus 5x is 8x. Okay? Now, the given expression is that we should express this in the form x over y. Okay? So, expressing this in the form x over y, first we can decide to divide through by y. Okay? When I divide through by y, you see when I divide 2 by y, I'm going to get 17 is equal to 8x over y. Because I divide here by y, here by y, here by y, here by y. So y will cancel. 17 is equal to 8x over y. And I want x over y. So if I want x over y. So if I want x over y, what is going to happen is I'm going to divide here by 8 and here by 8. Okay? So it means I can have 17 over 8 is equal to x over y. I divided through, okay, divide through by 8. So when I divide here by 8 and here by 8, 8 will cancel 8. I'm left with x over y is equal to 17 over 8. So therefore, we can say that our x over y is equal to 17 over 8 on our calculator. We are told to express this to what? 2 decimal places. So 17 over 8 will give us, so 2.125. So correct to 2 decimal places. Therefore, our x over y will be equal to 2 decimal places, 1, 2, we shall have 2.13. So this becomes our final answer, and we have been able to express x over y as 2.13.